truck. So it works on remote. You get it on phone, and to control you have to download a certain app, and then this has some motors in it. These are some motors, gears, and it has a transmission. It has everything like a real car. It's complicated. This instructions book has 500 pages in it. Like, it's crazy because it's so complicated. I'm on page 175 doing this thing. So this is the cylinders. It's gonna work in the motor and it's gonna act like cylinders. This will spin and these will be the cylinders. So guys, so this is what we finished. This is the second part of the truck, also the first part of the truck. So
also all parts in the truck and full engine.
And these are all the parts we did. I did this part and some of these.
Oh, okay. This is my wiring is because what?
And then I put these things here. This is just to organize the wires so that they're not everywhere.
And so drive.
And these are the wheels. And this is the wheels we're gonna put at the last. And then this is what we have left to do. So next I'm gonna do number 3. And when I do number 3, I'm gonna get the whole front and some of the back parts. Like, for example, like here we will have this more smooth slope. Here we have this top hood, and then we'll have these the wheel thing. It's gonna look great. Inside there is even a steering wheel, and when you turn it, this also turns like. So if I turn this, the wheel turns. That's cool. Then we have there a sticker. That's like where you go forward, drive, rear, the gears. I think this is for a Lego man.
Oh, I can see there's say Legos. Legos.
So if I put this Lego man here.
Okay, starting in there.
Perfect. Lego truck ready, and this is the truck. So I finished the part, the front part. This is the main controller or whatever, and so now it can go, like it's ready. And the outside is not finished, but it's okay. So here's my phone, and this is what's gonna control it. So see, it's moving backwards, left, right. Yeah. So guys, right now I'm on gear 2. This gear 2 makes it a little bit faster. If I put on gear 1, it makes it slower, but it's gonna have more power than gear 2. Like right now, it's slow. But if I change it to gear 2, you will notice the difference. Okay. Front part. This is like this design here. It's supposed to be the design where you open like the hood. This will be the hood, and you're like in a real truck. In a real truck, this thing will open, and then you can see inside the engine. This kind of looks like this looks like an engine. It has a cooling system, and then it has cylinders. So I have here the phone, my phone, and there's an app called Lego Technic Control Plus. I'm gonna press it, and this is how it looks like. Hey Evan, you wanna help?
No, I just
And there are different trucks you can select. But right now I'm gonna use this one. Thank you, Evan. There's also a secret button here. If you turn this, it will turn on the truck. See? It's connecting. It's turned on. Connected. You can hear it.
Don't go anywhere.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to turn this on. Like, this will go up.
And down. So when you're on this falling so I will make fun that because
and now you can see inside all the gears.
On middle the gears on gears so because run on
inside there's the orange thing, and it churns. And it churns 3 different pistons. Like these, like it triggers a few, 3 parts.
I'm sure because Minecraft it is.
And that's how the transmission system works. The transmission system also churns this, also connected to the gears and to the motor.
I'm sure I'm doing this because
so the transmission is very important.
And